Hi guys, welcome to another Serge Zimaleta. In today's video we're going to be hacking the EGR. As you can see, it's already done, and let's take a look at this. So no check engine light?
No check engine light, no.
That worked?
Yeah, so 3, 4.
So 3 and 4. So I guess let's shut the van off.
Okay.
And I'm gonna show to my viewers, this is a 2003 Sprinter. So here's the resistor that we're using, and I'm gonna actually link it up in the description below, so that you're not gonna get it wrong. But here's a missing pin right here, which is 1. That's a pin number 2, which is not missing. 3 and 4. So hook it up to the 3, 4. So basically at the rounded edge, 2 from the back, if that makes it, you know, easier for you to remember, from the rounded edge. So basically once you hack the EGR, and we just did it on this one, even though this is an EGR bypass, you could just tape it a little bit away from the vehicle. As a matter of fact, for this particular situation, we could actually insert it. Look,
absolutely,
we could partly insert it, which is going to protect it from moisture, and just do some electrical tape around it very neatly and tuck it away. So you could probably do the same thing for, you know, our vans, the 2004s and 6s. So now it is confirmed 2001, 2 and 3 Sprinters can be hacked just the same, even though it's a little different EGR system. So hopefully that's going to serve you well.
We'll see when we drive home.
I will run the codes on yours, even though you're not showing any, just to see if we're, you know, sparkly clean. But it should have come on right away. If it was a problem, it's the code's gonna get triggered right away.
Exactly.
So I guess let's continue. Man, your AC is blowing cold air.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you're on the parking brake.
Yeah, yeah.
You actually use it.
I actually use it, man. You got a camera up there too, so you can see.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love AC.
Tell me about it.
I hate these mirrors, man. They need to be longer on this side so you can see better.
Really?
Yeah, just like that top mirror. It's like this pillar is in the way. It's a blind spot.
So what I do is I actually use this as a road. Have you tried this before?
I did, yeah. A lot easier, safer.
I just had this thing straighten up a little bit. We need to do a little bit more work to it.
Yeah.
Lots of gravel. This one's been compacted really nice in here.
That's a good work area.
Mm-hmm. Let's take it for a spin to my favorite place. Man, very nice, smooth acceleration.
Good.
Look at the shifting.
Yeah.
No more grrr.
Yeah.
Did you have that, by the way? Grrr,
No,
grrr, grrr, like.
no, not really. It's been
Okay.
going on, yeah.
It should be smooth for yours, but
Yeah.
with that transmission fluid being the way it was,
Right.
I wonder if that you were hearing that, or
Why don't you roll your windows? Roll your windows so you can hear better.
it rides like a new van.
Good.
I feel like, you know, I'm not hitting the gas really hard, but I feel that there's plenty of energy behind that gas pedal.
Good.
It's shifting at the right times. And your steering wheel, man, it's great.
Nice and tight.
It's not loose. Mine's loose, I gotta fix that.
Like I said, this, you know, when you get an RV,
Yes.
they drive them in a straight line down the highway.
Yes.
You know, point
Yes.
A to point B.
Oh yes.
So there's no city driving.
Exactly.
Makes a big difference on wear and tear.
Oh yeah. And you don't have a lot of miles on this thing.
Yeah.
You have like 92,000 miles.
Yeah.
That's
I think,
nothing.
When I'm done with this, I might buy, there's a possibility, especially if the economy keeps going downhill,
Yes.
I might find another one just like this, but I can buy a lot cheaper
Yes.
and do the same thing I'm doing, do it now,
Yes.
cosmetically, mechanically, bring it to you, let you do it, and then
Nice.
resell it as,
Awesome.
as a completely, you know, redone sprinter.
Yes.
Tamper.
Yes.
The decal, just do exactly.
That's a
what I'm
good
doing.
business, actually.
To do exactly what I'm doing.
Mm-hmm.
And these units sell they're pretty expensive.
People love them. You know, I had many people come up to me, especially older couples, and they'll come up to me excited, and they're like, "Is this a camper? Can you make it a camper? Oh, we would like a camper like this sprinter. How do you like it? You know, that kind of stuff."
Well,
Because everybody likes them because they're tall roofs. They're nice.
well, you know, these things, when the economy's good,
Mm-hmm.
when I'm done with it, I'm not gonna sell it. I could probably sell it between $50,000 and $60,000
Yes.
when I'm done with it. And so, my theory is if I can find the same ones cheaper,
Good luck, because man, that's
I know.
they're a dime a dozen. I mean,
and they didn't make many of the Forest River
I just
ones.
said a wrong analogy. I said dime a dozen.
Yeah, yeah.
That does not work not for these sprinters.
So I might.
They're like a diamond in a rough.
Yeah, yeah.
You
So-
can't find them at these low mileages.
No, you can't. There's about 6 more just like this for sale in the country. But
Yes.
They all have. One has 46,000 miles, 47,000 miles, and the other ones have like 125, 138.
Do you know that the speedometer gauge will start counting over once it hits 1 million?
Oh, really?
Yes.
I didn't know that.
Yes. So you gotta watch out for that. Like,
Okay.
and one of the indicators, you know, for wear and tear in a vehicle, you could of course observe everything, because
course.
yours under hood and everything. It's like it's not rusted. It's like everything is like nice.
Yeah.
What does it says here?
Attention! This facility is closed to public. Recreation is suspended for the notice. You can still go down there, just turn around.
Okay.
They just don't want you to go and play.
I think what they mean is,
Don't hang out here.
this is a park with boat ramps and stuff, so they
yeah.
might not be like available for you to
Yeah.
go on boats and stuff,
Yeah.
because they kind of close down a lot of parks, you know, due to the virus.
Oh yeah.
But they're actually building something back here. Like they're making, like, I think another area where they could actually have probably boat ramps, but they're also gonna have like a fishing pier.
Yeah.
They're probably gonna have some areas with tables and stuff. So now they blocked it off, or not really?
You probably can come down here and just turn around. It's great.
Yeah, it's gonna be fine.
Yeah, they're gonna have to chains up. Well, they're putting chains up. Wow.
Yeah, they took the chain down.
So that might be another business I'm gonna do when I'm done with this. And there's a possibility when I'm done with this, with interior,
Yeah.
is to put it online for sale, but not sell it, but to see if I get any bites,
Yes.
just to see what happens. And if I get a lot of interest on it, I'm gonna say, hey, I just sold this one, but I can get another one to do the same thing.
See why it's beautiful to live here?
Beautiful, man.
It's like
It's fantastic.
you have the lake this close to your house.
It's a big lake, man.
So I would like to get a boat. I'm not in a hurry,
Yeah.
but you know, being this close, might actually use it.
Yeah.
I don't know why they close it. Like,
There's no
everything
anything.
is, you know, they're doing some stuff, but
Nice facility.
yeah,
It's got a lot of power, doesn't it?
yeah, like you're fine. It's this is a good hill to kind of test it. If there's any issues,
Yeah.
it would already not pull if you would have issues, but it's completely fine, and it's nice and smooth. Like, it's just nice
Yeah.
the way it's working.
Good.
Next, I gotta do a transmission fluid change in my van.
Yeah. That's how, when I bought the car and I did it, I drove it, and I felt the same way. I knew I had a winner. The turbo sounds healthy coming on.
Huh?
The turbo, you can hear the turbo whistle.
Yeah,
It's
it's-
healthy.
It sounds beautiful,
Yeah.
if you could say that.
Yeah, it's a nice whistle.
Yeah, it's just so healthy. Just like it just works. Basically, it feels like a brand new van.
Good.
You have like all this stuff like not broken.
No, I hate that. I hate when things are missing.
Yeah, they're broken on all the vans.
Yeah.
I mean, they are like very flimsy, you know, plastic and stuff. It's
They
like
are.
very brittle,
Right.
but if you take care of it, you're gonna be fine with it.
Uh-oh, this guy's ignoring. He's like, screw it, I'm going. I'm putting
Yeah,
my boat in.
He's drove all this way.
He's like, I'm going. Find me, I don't care.
It's never been closed, actually. The whole entire time I've been here, it's never been closed.
Wow.
So this is why, like, I asked you, what does it say? Because, you know, this is just kind of like, watch out, we have construction, it's like, keep out. So, a little harder acceleration, accelerates really well.
I rarely accelerate that hard, unless I'm in traffic.
This was not even hard acceleration.
No,
I only did like mid acceleration. But it's like, I feel it's completely unnecessary to be like pushing it, because the computer learns you're driving and it keeps the fuel economy better, because it learns you're driving.
I'm really excited that knowing that the resistor is working right now. No code.
Yes.
It's not running wrong.
You might actually notice that it probably has just a little bit more power now.
Yeah.
You know, I can imagine.
A little more power, I might have a little better fuel economy too.
Oh yes. Have you been testing your fuel economy?
I have. I'm getting probably, the way I drive on the highway, between 26 and 28.
Oh, you're getting a phenomenal fuel economy. It's like a brand new engine fuel economy.
Yeah, and I use the cruise control. I'm doing 70. I don't go over 70.
Yes.
I try to keep my RPMs as low as possible.
I'm curious to see what kind of improvements you're gonna get.
I'll let you know.
That would be
coming here, my RPMs were between 2200 and 2500. Obviously, the lower RPM, the better you are.
I gotta take care of a few issues with mine. I have like a few things that I need to take care of, but none of them causing drivability issues.
Yeah.
And then I want to paint it, just make it look nice,
Right.
clean it up good, you know, replace some broken parts. But this is good. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please hit a like on this video if you liked it, and consider subscribing, because I have more Sprinter videos on my channel, all kinds of stuff. This is 5th year I'm actually putting out Sprinter content, so you can find all my playlists in the front of my YouTube page. You're gonna see Sprinter, like Mercedes Sprinter Season 1, Season 2, Season 3, Season 4, and right now Season 5. So all the time I'm dealing with these Sprinters, and I have really nice customers that come over and get a chance to check out their nice vans and service them. So it all continues. Bye-bye, guys. My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.